And if you like this video, hey, tell them what to do if they like the video.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up. Thanks, dude. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a great day. If this is your first time to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you really enjoy the content of my channel. So what I've got for you today is a head-to-head competition between Super Clean All-Wheel Cleaner and Eagle One All-Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Now, I have not used either one of these products on any of my vehicles, so I'm really interested to see how they perform. I'm going to do both the front passenger and driver side tires with each one of these products, and then I'm also going to do the rears, one on each side as well. And we'll see how they shape out. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so just let that dwell on there for just a few minutes. I'll just get my wheel brush here, put a little bit of the product on the brush. Alright, so already I can tell you that I do not like this spray nozzle. This is already starting to hurt my hand. It takes quite a bit of effort just to get a trigger pull on this thing. However, I do notice, as you can probably see, this Eagle One foaming cleaner looks like it's doing just a little bit better job cleaning off the road grime from the actual tires. I do not like this spray nozzle. This thing is kind of junk. It already hurts. I'm already done. Haven't even finished one tire with this spray nozzle. And just putting your hand right in here where these little knurled edges on the top are, it just starts to hurt already. It's just not very ergonomic. Huh?
Watch your ice pack for your thumb.
What's that for?
From that blue stuff.
Oh, from this stuff? Oh, because I said it hurt my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. Oh, that makes my thumb feel better. Thank you very much.
That's all. It's not all done because it has to get warm, then I'll put it back in there.
Okay.
I got a popsicle. I got it blue.
All right, here you go. I'm all good now.
Whoa.
Thank you. Alright, so I'm going to be as fair and impartial as I can on these two products. So I've used the Super Clean on two tires, one front, one back. I'm also going to do the same with this Eagle One here, one front, one back.
Then I'll give you the other one.
So the way this stuff is actually, melting the road grime on the rubber of the tires kind of reminds me of the reaction that happens with the aerosol version of Super Clean. All right, folks, so let's talk about results. All right, so this is the first wheel that we did. And if you remember, this is the one I used Super Clean on. And, you know, just keep in mind that I didn't use a detail brush to get in where these bolts are, so there is a little bit of dust there. But what I'm interested in is how did that Super Clean do on the actual spokes and the other parts of the wheel and the tire as well. So just a real unscientific method here. I've just got my little paper towel. I'm just going to run it on the parts that appear clean. Keep in mind, you know, I didn't take too close of attention to, you know, some of these areas inside the spokes, so there is still going to be some residual dirt. But all in all, I'm interested here to see, you know, what these spokes look like. All right, so I don't know if you can see that there. So there really isn't much dirt left on the spokes. Just for fun, let me just wipe down the, well, that's not going to work too well. Let's see if I can get some of these non-textured surfaces here of the tire. So there still is a little bit of dirt left there on the tires. Okay, so that was the Super Clean tire. And let's just go over here on the other side and let's check out the Eagle One section, the Eagle One tire that we cleaned. So let me just get a clean section of paper towel here. Again, we'll just do the same test. I'm just going to rub this on some of the apparent clean surfaces of the spokes here. And again, there's still some areas hidden deep inside there that I just didn't get with the brush, but that's okay.
Now you have to dig in there.
Got to dig in there. All right, so again, this one looks about the same, just from this unscientific method here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing here on this section of tire. So that's about the same. I don't know where it is there. I have to go back and look at the video, but you know, that appears about the same amount of dirt that came off of the Super Clean tire. All right, so not bad, not bad. All right, let me just wrap this up really quick with some final thoughts. I think from a cleaning standpoint, the Super Clean versus the Eagle One all-wheel and tire foaming, triple cleaning foam stuff, as far as cleaning power, they're about the same in my opinion, in my unscientific paper towel test. I think where the products differ are ergonomics. So as you remembered from just a few minutes ago, my my wonderful son had to bring me an ice pack for my thumb because I said this top part of the Eagle One bottle was hurting my hand when I was trying to squeeze the trigger. And that was really not an exaggeration. I didn't need an ice pack, but this bottle here is not very ergonomically friendly to the user. I think if I was going to use this on a professional level, I would probably put that product in a different sprayer, or at least put a different spray nozzle on it. The Super Clean, however, you know, that nozzle is very nice. It's easy, and I could easily see myself doing a whole car or several cars without really much fatigue on my hands, you know, with using this guy here. So for cleaning power alone, I rank these two guys about equal. I would not hesitate to use either one of those two products on my wheels, as you saw. Where, again, the two products differ are in the ergonomics. I would give the Super Clean bottle, the Super Clean sprayer, the thumbs up on that aspect of it. So for those reasons, I would recommend the Super Clean. Again, the cleaning power is the same, but the ergonomics in this bottle, in this sprayer, I think are more conducive to cleaning multiple cars at a time. So I'll leave links to both of these products in the description down below if you're interested in trying out these products and any other products that I try. And also, if you're interested, I'll put a link down in the description below of my previous video where I used the Super Clean aerosol cleaner to clean my WeatherTech floor mats in my GMC Envoy. So guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you. I appreciate y'all checking in. If you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I've got many other videos associated with the Envoy, with DIY engine repair, things like that. And going forward here, I'm going to have some more videos on super clean products and other car cleaning products. So again, if you hadn't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you like this video, hey, tell them what to do if they like the video.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up. Thanks, dude. Y'all be good. I appreciate you checking back in, and we'll see you on the next one.